Good morning, children. So we have completed exercise 28, 20b. Now turn for exercise 20c. In exercise 20c, we have to learn about area of parallelogram and rhombus. So first of all, we will recall what is parallelogram. Parallelogram, a quadrilateral whose opposite sides are parallel, is known as parallelogram. And what is rhombus? A parallelogram whose all four sides are equal is known as rhombus. So from here we can say that whatever be the formula for the area of a parallelogram can hold for area of rhombus also, as rhombus is also a special type of a parallelogram. So one of the formula of area of parallelogram is base into height. So area of parallelogram is equal to base into height is holding for parallelogram also and for the rhombus also. Yes, as in this figure you can see this ABCD is a parallelogram. So this AB is base and this DE is height. So what is the area of a parallelogram? Base into height. So what is base? Base is equal to AB and height is equal to DE. And we can turn the base also, children, as if I will take BC as base. So this height, if this is equal to 90 degree, so this is same, we can write BC into, I can name it as MN. So BC into MN. So this height is same everywhere. The distance between two parallel sides are same. So this is the formula for the parallelogram. Area of a parallelogram is equal to base into height, and this hold for the rhombus also. And another formula of area of rhombus is half into product of diagonal. That means if you are having a rhombus and there are two diagonals AB, AC and BD, then area of rhombus is equal to half into AC into BD, or in short we can write half into D1 into D2. Okay, now we come back to the exercise. The exercise is very easy, children, and again I will give you the PDF for this. You can go from here. Now read the first question. The first question says, find the area of a parallelogram with base is equal to 32 centimeter and height is equal to 16.5 centimeter. Area of a parallelogram formula, base into height. I have applied, given the answer. Question number 2, the base of a parallelogram is 1 meter 60 centimeter, height is given 75 centimeter. So my first responsibility to convert into the same unit. So I have converted into meter. So this is 1.60 meter and 0.75 meter. And then again by putting up the formula I get the value. In question number 3 also, base is given in dm, decimeter, and height is also given in decimeter, but they find area in centimeter square. So when we find in centimeter square, so I will convert my base and height in centimeter. So 1 decimeter is equal to 10 centimeter. So base is equal to 140 centimeter and height becomes 65 centimeter. Then again applying formula, area is equal to base into height, we can get. And in the second question, they want area in meter square. So I will convert decimeters in meter, directly decimeter in meter, or as I have done in this question, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meter. So whatever answer I am getting, 9100, may directly usko I have converted into the meter square. And rather you can do it like this also, ki my base is equal to 14 dm. So this can be written as 1.4 meter. And height is equal to 6.5 decimeter, so it is 0.65 meter. And then as usual I can convert also. Question number 4, what is this? In this question number 4, height is not given, children, and we have to find out the height. Area is given and base is given. So again area is equal to base into height, because height is not given. So I write height is equal to area by base. So 54 by 50, 3.6 centimeter. Again in question number 5, base is given, area is given, height is not given. Similarly I have done this. In question number 6, they have given, you can read in the parallelogram, the two base are given and one height is given, they find the other altitude. So as I'll make you understand ki whatever parallelogram is there, if I draw one parallelogram, so either I can do A, B, C, D. So base मैंने इसको लिया तो height I will consider this. So if this is Mn, so AB into Mn, okay, AB into Mn. Or if I take AD as a base, then I have to take this height. So PQ I can consider. So AD into PQ. So this concept I have taken in question number 6. So either AL into CD or AM into BC. The same thing I have applied over here, and then I get the value. Right? The questions are very easy, children, and these are very important. You have to go through the questions. Now in question number 7, what they have to find? The area of a parallelogram we have to find. Given it's 15 into 4, 60 centimeter square. So they want the height from the between the other two parallel sides. So 15 and 4 is given, so I can find the area of this given parallelogram. This area will remain same when I will take base as ABC also. So when area is same, to 60 is equal to base I have considered at 8, then height I don't know. Then again I find the value of height. What about in question number 8? They have given some relationship between height and base. So what is that? The height of a parallelogram is 1/3 of the base. If the area of the parallelogram is equal to 108 centimeter square, find its base and height. So 108 is equal to base into height. So 108 is equal to x into x by 3. So here x is square. X into x is equal to x square, and 108. This 3 goes to the upper side. So 108 into 3. 324. 324 is the square of 18. So x square is equal to 18 square. So x is equal to 18. Base is equal to 18 centimeter. Height का value ये आ गया. What about in question number 9? In that base is given as 2 times of height. So we will write, let the height be x, so base is equal to 2x. Again, by applying on the formula, I get the value of x and I can find this. What about question number 10? Find the area of a rhombus in which base and height is given. So as I told you, this base into height is formula for both area of rhombus also and area of a parallelogram also, because rhombus is a type of a parallelogram only. So area of a parallelogram is equal to area of a rhombus also. So if base and height is given, then 12 into 7.5, that 9. Again, side is equal to 2 gm, height 20 centimeter, height is equal to 12.6 centimeter. Converting into the same unit, I have find out the value. Now in question number 11, both the diagonals are given, so I find the value. In second, I have changed the unit and then I have find out the value. In question number 12, they have given one of the side 20 centimeter and one of the diagonal. So we don't know the height, so we cannot find the value area by base into height, and we don't know the value of other diagonal, so we cannot put the formula half into d1 into d2. So to find the value of other diagonal, I use the Pythagoras theorem. For Pythagoras theorem, how I can use? Because this hole is 24 centimeter and we know that diagonal bisect each other at the intersecting point. So this means this is also 12 and this is also 12. So x square plus 12 square is equal to 20 square. So x is equal to, I find out it as x 16. So this part is equal to 16. So this means whole part is equal to how much? 32. Now I put the formula. Area is equal to half into d1 into d2 and I get the value. Similarly, in question number 13, area of a rhombus is given, diagonal 1 is given, diagonal 2 is not mentioned. So applying on this formula, so area d2 is equal to area by the respective part. This I have done. What in question number 14? Area of rhombus given, perimeter given. So from perimeter I can find the value of side. So side is equal to this. And then height I can find. Then question number 15, what is given? Area of rhombus given, height given, we have to find the side. So we can easily find. What about question number 16? Area of rhombus is equal to area of triangle whose base and height are given. So I put the formula half into base into height, because I know that the area of a triangle is equal to half into base into height. So this is the thing, and I have applied over here. So see here, I can find out the half into d1 into d2, 2046. One diagonal is given, other diagonal we have to find, we can find. So this is how we solve this all question. So thank you children. Goodbye for it. Do all these questions in your copy.